This house is a complete disaster. Baby watch, third trimester checklist.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I want.
Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going through a third trimester checklist and there's just so much to do. My Christmas decor is still up. It needs to come down. I need to sterilize baby's bottles, make sure her laundry is all ready to go, make sure we have the car seat installed. Just all the last minute things that I need to do and I felt would be helpful. Everyone loves a good checklist, so why don't we just work through this checklist together. Hopefully this brings you some motivation, like videos like this bring me motivation as well. Okay, so here's my checklist if you guys want to screenshot this just to get a good idea of what I need to get done today and make sure it's done before the baby arrives. Also, I had some last minute baby items that I wanted to get. I'm getting a diaper caddy for Dump. Well, actually, I probably don't need that because I have the other one. But I thought this toy, it's a hamper, but I'm going to use it as a toy box. And then need some laundry supplies. I thought this was like a really nice space-saving rack. I was going to get a bamboo folding rack. And then I really like this. Another quick tip I forgot to mention is register on Target, register on buybuy BABY and Amazon. I mean, you can obviously register wherever you are, but I created all my wish list items, all the things I needed for baby. I put them all on my registry, and that made it easy for me to remember like what I have, what I need. I just kind of made it as my like checklist, and then people can go on there and of course shop for you. But then the things that you don't get, all of those registries do a completion discount. So they all do 15% off. And if you have a Target Red card, you get 20% off. So keep all the must needed items on those lists. And why I have 3 is in case I forget something on one and I've already used the discount code, then I can just add it to the other registry and just get all the last minute things. So I just need to get like a couple more things. I mean, we're pretty good, but I just have a few more things for buybuy BABY. I just got some of the last items from Target that I need to get set up today, so it was like perfect timing since I'm filming this today. So I got extra pack and play sheets. This I learned from the last time. The baby spits up or has blowouts or all the things that happen so much, so have extra sheets on hand. It just makes it so much easier for the pack and play. So these are just some neutral colored baby sheets for the pack and play that I'll wash today. And then I fell in love with these type of wipeable changing pad covers with Leia. So this one is just like hearts, and I'll have to wash this one too. But it's perfect because the middle is like a wipeable area, so it makes it a lot easier. And I'm actually putting I have a changing pad that I'll show you that I have under my bed. You know, when you have a newborn and you just delivered a baby, it's not always easy to like walk around and stuff like that. So you want to have multiple stations around your house set up so that you're not having to like run upstairs to change the baby or run downstairs. So I'll show you how I'm doing that. I'm going to have a station in my bedroom. I have a station in Leia's room because it's already set up. And then I'm going to have a station downstairs so that it's a lot more convenient. So here's what I was talking about. Let me see if I can do this smoothly. I haven't opened it yet. This is the changing pad that I got off Amazon. So it'll just slide out from under the bed, and then I'll put the cover on it, and then I can pull it out, change the baby, and then just slide it right back under out of the way. So that's just like a little portable changing area.
I've been waiting all my life for something. I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life.
Here's what is in my diaper tote, storage tote that is right by the bed. So I put it right in that little wooden stand, and it's right by my bed. All the must-have items for baby, since I have the bassinet right there too. So nipple cream, diapers, nursing pads. I have a couple extra swaddles, a couple extra outfits. I have onesies, a swaddle blanket, a white, of course, wipes, a little suction thing for the nose, and then under here is a couple extra onesies and mittens and socks. This thing is pretty cool. I got it from Target, and it holds quite a bit and keeps everything really nice and organized. So I just put like this thing in the side. And then I'm trying this new swaddle this time around. Didn't have it with Leia, but this is like if the baby doesn't like to be like completely swaddled and more hands free, they can put their hands up in this one. So we'll try that one too.
You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know,
I've done a small start on my postpartum bag, but we'll get a lot in the hospital. They send you home with like your pads and your mesh underwear and all of that. So as of right now in this, I just have more nursing pads, extra of those. This is not really postpartum. I'm going to replace the diapers with the pads that they give me from the hospital. I have extra wipes in here. And from what I just showed you, it's kind of halfway set up, but not quite. But I'm going to replace the diapers in this container with the pads, the mesh underwear, and I'll probably get like a skinnier container and I'll just put it in my bathroom so that I have everything I need postpartum wise right in the bathroom. Another thing that you're going to want to do if you haven't already done is, a lot of people don't know this, but you can register. Most insurance will cover a breast pump for free, if not like very little. So I used Aeroflow breast pumps, and so you just Google that, go to the website, you put in your insurance information, and then your doctor just has to write a prescription for you for a breast pump, and they sent it within like a week or so to me. And so some insurance will get really good breast pumps, some will get okay, but hey, whatever. Register for one, you're gonna get it for free. I got these this time. This is for when you are pumping or nursing. They seem like, first of all, they're like super nice. They are soothing therapy pillows. You can put them in the microwave or put them in the freezer. And if you need a little relief, if you're engorged or have a clogged duct or whatever, these are great. You can even wear them. I have ones that wrap around the pump, so they're right here. And these ones you can wear when you're pumping. And if you have a warm compress on, it helps you get more milk. I'm going to go ahead and also sanitize all my breast milk supplies, all my pumping supplies, and then if you guys don't have one of these in your life, get one. They are awesome. This, which looks like a questionable item, but this is a nursing massager, and this helps massage out any clogged ducts, or also just massaging to create more milk as well. And this is the brand. And they also now have a warming one. Okay, so I have the bottle warmer down here, the bottle sanitizer down here. We used the bottle warmer with Leia and loved it. It's the Dr. Brown's one. But it just has like a little buildup, even though we use distilled water, it has a little bit of buildup. So I Googled how to sanitize it and get it ready. So I'll show you guys how I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna wash the bottles, wash my pumping supplies, wash pacifiers, all that, and then we're gonna go ahead and sanitize everything.
Much better, oh yeah. Before you I was just a shell, so stuck in the dark. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky, oh. There's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect
take a moment and sit. I'm gonna go through my checklist right now and see how we're coming along drink some water. So far we've washed clothes, registered for the hospital, have my breast pump, sanitize the bottles, I have my bedside tote ready to go, and I have my postpartum kit and my pumping supplies. So I need to bring the swing downstairs. Leia's napping right now, so I'll do that in a little bit. I need to make the downstairs diaper station, and if I don't get to it to show you guys, I'm just gonna have a basket that's gonna have diapers, wipes, a changing pad, and I have the hospital bags by the door so that they're ready to go at any moment's notice. And I need to order the stroller, and then Mike's gonna install the car seat today in the car. We got the Up a Baby Mesa car seat, and I need to order diapers. So I have about a little less than half done. The rest, some of these things will be really quick. I can order diapers really quick. I can order the stroller really quick. Actually, the hospital bag's already by the door, so that's already done. Pretty excited. We've gotten a lot of this done. I'm gonna go ahead and call the pediatrician so we make sure we have that set up. And yeah, we're making good progress. This is kind of a last minute random baby items haul, but I have to show you because I am really loving these Burp Rags. These are from Gerber, but how cute are these? They're so pretty. They're like pretty good quality. I went ahead and pre-washed them, and I have a couple by the bassinet. I'll have a couple in each diaper caddy, and of course the rest in the baby room, but I just thought these were so gorgeous. And I have to make up my mind on what the baby is wearing home from the hospital. So I have option 1, which is this with these cute little pants and this cute little hat. So we have this outfit, which is really cute. These have like little footies. I have a few outfits in the bag, which I'm making a what's in my hospital bag, or I already did what's in my hospital bag. I'm making a what's in the baby's bag video this week, so stay tuned for that. What I packed for the baby for the hospital. But I also had to mention these pants. So I didn't get these with Leia. I just had like regular jersey pants with her, but someone had mentioned getting the pants with the footies in them. So because baby socks fall off all the time, so it's just much easier to have them already little footies in them. Okay, so I'm feeling really accomplished. I think I'm losing my voice as well. I got over half of the checklist done, so that feels really good. Tons of progress and everything needed. I really just need to set out the swing, set up the pack and play, and install the car seat. Those are like the main things I have left to do. So not bad for the day, but I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. So first of all, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you so very much, and it's exciting as I grow my channel to see all the new subscribers. So if you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, comment below what you love the best and what you'd like to see next. So just to kind of give you an idea of what I'm gonna be going over next, or like some of my upcoming videos, I'm going to do what's in my baby's bag for the hospital, and then I also am going to do a goals 2021 productivity type video. So I want to go over like vision for 21, how to create your goals, how to stick to your goals, also just like how to level up your confidence. But those type of videos are the things that I'm also like super passionate about and helping people with, and even with myself. And you know, we all need a positive distraction with all the craziness going on right now. So thank you so much for watching my video, and I will talk to you guys later. See you later for now. Bye.